Hi everybody, it's Odette Vicky, and today we are going to be doing a hilarious grandma is doing my voiceover for this makeup look. So trust me, you want to stay tuned because it was hilarious. It was hilarious. So if you want to see how I got this look, zoom in so you can see. Yes. Go ahead and stay tuned. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you are notified whenever I post anything. And also, if you want to see how I achieve this color, I just posted that video, so you can go ahead and check it out. I love it. This color is beautiful. Such a beautiful color. And if you want to know how I did this, the style, it is a braid out. Go ahead and comment down below whatever you want to see. But let's not waste no more time. Let's get right into the makeup video because trust me, you don't want to miss this. It was hilarious. Alright.
You're putting something in 3 places on your face. You mark it 4 places. You mark the whole your whole face. You paint it beautiful. That's beautiful. The eyelids, eyelash. Wow, that's beautiful. Wow, pretty. Oh, that color. Oh, you put the eyelash, eyebrow on your face. Wow, that's beautiful. Put it again. You rub it again and again. Wow, that's red. That looks reddish, is it? That's a beautiful girl. Wow. Wow.
What am I doing?
Yeah, you're rubbing the eyeshadow, eyelash. Wow, on your eyelids.
So what am I doing now?
You're rubbing the eyelids. The eyebrow, is it brown or light brown? Yeah, it's beautiful. Should I name all this? They are very beautiful. I can't name them all.
You have to try.
Okay, this is eyebrow. Oh, making the eyebrow. It looks brown.
So what's that?
That's the eyebrow.
No, this.
That's what. That's making the eyebrow and beautiful. Oh, you do it very beautiful. You're gonna do one for me. Do my own face like your face is beautiful.
What am I doing here?
You're repainting it. Wow. To look more beautiful. Wow.
So what am I using to paint it?
That's the brush you used to paint it, paint and repaint it. Wow. It's beautiful. Wow. Wow, it's so beautiful. That's the eye.
What am I doing to my face?
You're making up your face.
What specifically am I doing?
Something brownish. is powder. Is that powder? Can I call it powder?
It's
The
foundation.
wet foundation. Oh, this is foundation. Beautiful. Wow. Look at this girl.
So what's
You
that?
make it beautiful.
So what am I doing now?
You're rubbing your... do I know their names?
What do you think it is?
It is something brownish. Is it powder, will I call it?
And what am I doing with it?
You're rubbing it on your face. Wow. Look at her.
Then what am I doing now?
You're pressing the puff and it's circulating it on your face, making it beautiful. Makes
And go. What am I doing?
you're rubbing powder on your face. The makeup. You're making your face up, making your face to look beautiful.
So what am I doing here? To my face. What am I doing to my face?
That you are rubbing powder on it. That what beautiful powder you rub. You rub and look in the mirror. You say it is beautiful. See, you're rubbing your jaw. You're looking at the mirror, and it looks beautiful. Wow. 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 That's a real makeup. Wow.
What's that?
That's your powder.
And what am I doing?
You're making up.
What am I doing with the powder, Grandma?
You are rubbing it on your face.
Why?
To make your face beautiful. How's it?
So what am I doing now?
You're polishing your face. Making it beautiful. Yes, that's powder. That's the makeup. That's the makeup powder. The brownish one.
And what am I doing with it?
Putting it on and on. Rubbing it, rub and rub and rub, and look in the mirror. And you are making like this, like that. Oh, baby pancake. What thing I go do make you stop pancake? You dey rub and look at the mirror.
So what am I doing now?
You're rubbing pancake on top of your face.
Grandma, it's more than just that. What am I doing?
You're making up.
It's pink.
Oh, that's the pinky one. Wow. Hey, all this makeup. Oh, the girl is out now.